standing in for Karen Jenga. Central Bank of Kenya has urged the National Assembly to pass the proposed CBK Bill 2020 that seeks to regulate digital lenders. CBK Governor Patrick Njoroge says the law will help shield the public from predatory interest rates and manipulative terms by some of the micro lenders. Wachira has been following on the proceedings and now joins us for more.
Of the CBK Amendment Bill 2021 now lies in the Finance Committee. The committee now retreats to prepare a report that will be tabled in Parliament next month. Today, CBK Governor Patrick Njoroge appeared before the National Assembly Finance Committee to give the bank's recommendations on the proposed law. The CBK Governor says the Amendment Bill 2021 will empower the regulator to put checks and balances on digital lenders who have been accused of burdening their clients with predatory interest rates.
The biggest issues are consumer protection, but also this data protection, protection of personal data, and collaboration of regulators is the way to go. Everyone understanding their mandate. So there's no confusion, there's no mixing, there's no overstepping.
If the proposed law is adopted, the CBK will have powers to license the digital lenders. Currently, there are more than 20 digital lender companies operating in the country without a legal platform. Attempts to craft regulations to monitor their activities in the past have failed.
We will ask everybody, if you are a digital lender, give us some information about you. Let's begin there, which is the issue that you're mentioning. So even before we have regulations, we'll obviously work with you on the regulations, etc. But even before we get there, now we'll have some teeth. Now I can talk as much as I want, but I have no stick.
If approved, the law further gives CBK powers to compel the digital lenders institutions to disclose sources of funds. This, according to Njoroge, will be crucial in aiding the war against money laundering and proceeds of crime and terrorism. Wachira, Prime Edition.